Little Park and now and dear soon. No, that I could not upon Mount Shelva, but the young Park and now and the Slavlara. Now go to Shaman, I'll go to Lilla. Little number of songs man. Not to some of that, and I didn't to sort of fire. Nana Barcanon. Nana Barcana that it is the prayer can buy.
So they are very grateful that they will get help from you. You support them with a Wellington boot. So and they are very happy and I'm very grateful. So that's why they say they will come and say hello to you and say afternoon to you and then thank you very much. And then thank you for joining this particular annual anniversary. So and they still request more because you have done something great for them. So they're still expecting more presentation to come and show their life to them, and they're also enjoying that particular organization.
Okay, so on behalf of the Agri House team, we are happy to support them. And what I also want to know is whether they are also learning from the sessions beyond the donations we've made, whether they are also learning from the various sessions.
So no one born no boy shamnyele, no bother no so piel. Me pele yem boy, o born da no shelma, be on no shelma. Yi dwe desert Panama, you to melt tum le tuma. Kay melt tum le tuma, ula kay melt tum da.
Put one answer, I made a jump and the period. So then Nana got the emptiest, my Kamalin Kelsman, and the Versma. Those who come out at the one, those are not it, the pilot, you want that to pin Shelva. The pilot that
Meditation represents one of versions of last one of Buddha.
There's what an assured come from this raka, it's a parish.
They use that particular Wellington boot to go to farm to pick a share net and then go to sow the groundnut and maize. So they use it for the farming.
But what I'm asking is that the training program that they are participating, are they learning something?
Okay. Me yin kana choma lala burmane yi babin shaw. Yin kana daba yi wama. Wula ke nya.
Tinyara ninesi, tinyara dal fa nanyesha. Tinyara dal fa kanyara ninesi nanyesha. Le lala burma antitelema the fire puni na antitelema.
And they get they see this thing, they see it interested, and they get benefit on it, and they also get knowledge from the training. That's what they do.
Yeah, didn't come out sitting them by yelling at the Canadian Yabanda too, songs and Shelma. Not a Melbourne fan, from this was to work come at Nya. Can I win you the little tutu or song multi to Gaza?
That's how the multitude group also come to train the annual festival, and they also get knowledge from it, and they also acquire knowledge from this training camp. Okay. You better go let to book my that's you want to say something. That's Bamagash,
Gamorati to Pinna Tranya Pinna, that the mint dollar at the Canada to Pocano and dear Sugar. Nana Barcano, to show that to Ma, the fire. Can I work something? Can I work 20? The group now you born a wing tumda, Tarpa. There's all cut 10 in front of Fabia in Peho, woman songte at the Chantuni. Masia you
that's a win to me, huh? Wontuma at Tarpa, they joined Northern Widows Agriculture Foundation, and they also together with Agri House Foundation. So they thank Madam Alberta very beautiful, and then thank you very much for what she has done, and then what training that they have come to join and then participate in this program. They are happy and they are very, very grateful for that training. They are quite very good knowledge from the training.
Dagbana kala hindu, ya timma rapate, kata kana no tutlampa, no tendanye palma na na barkana, na untima tuni, kabje hanye na lashi, no tlampa hata tlampa ta tindem garna, bezo kata kamana,
So, and hear what he said.
Na sura mbora to são sama da pade to la bola são se to ba je to ni to la bola são se ya to kata kare to kata kare to bi da ni kare to so din trana ki singa to bi na kata ka ko ka pa to so ni são sama a santé na la fi ben certainement dene to ya pa ko ya ka ba certainement tenem votier na Kenya la pako ka ba certainement tenem votier na maninda sa
and there are about 15 widows in their community, and they don't know much about it, so they have to know. They are coming from Nyerji. So it's really we choose them to Sandargo Pene, so we don't go to what they call Nyerji. So they are part of Sandargo Pene, so we have to go there and then see Nyerji people too. So we'll go there.
All right,
we are not yet go there. We'll come to your place.
Okay, so thank you everyone. We appreciate that you've made effort to come to the pre-harvest, and that you also appreciate the little support we've been given. So on behalf of the Agri House Foundation team, we pledge our support to the group for a long time. Anything that we can do to support them in our own small way, we would continue to do it. But we are also encouraging them to take full advantage of their training sessions. That when they come, they should focus and then they should learn something, so that when they go back, those who didn't get the opportunity to come, they will also teach them and they benefit, so that we can all grow the agri sector.
So no iko ya wumi ano ya yele shami ano ba ko ya papa ne yim kana shama ne yim kana nti sati ka gwele be chen ma shama no je table ni za yim kana ka bu ya shama ni no sa yimene no sa ba ni baya so yim ba ma ni law yo ayi ba ne zan le we ba be to kama na do ma te za ni to kana ne ne zo ni kama na da tumi za ma ben karban no wula ba ban wori ya shama ne kan ban ben yen no to sa de mo ka ba morma. So ama I la balma be ade training ma kule an son la ma ta san son ma ami zan le tuntuma ye ba mba kamana ko kan kamana zo o ba za dilar da fanma do me dirjmi ni za kana ma kin za yan to ka so you know ne kana ti de be gara ne kana ti de ma o zan kule ni yar ga tan ma za o ne ne o ye o mia Toruzone on bar champion la wula zan tuntuma ma nyere ni zan tuntuma ne bang bare yan nan kam soya e bane nan la to so tar chana ban Agri House to be min normal te min ban tumba te min ban tumba ma rezo de nyala talati ni bepi be min Modern Widows Agriculture Foundation to Agri House Modern Widows Agriculture Foundation tumba so de tumni kanati de ban sama zan ko tilbe ban be yan.
This event is organized by Agri House Foundation in partnership with